friends, this is Julie. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be, a product try. Today I'm going to be using this waver from Bedhead, and I wanted to go ahead and put on my glasses so I can see how to, the off and on buttons are on the inside and the temperatures are on the outside, so it does range from 250 to 400 degrees. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And when you turn it on, it looks like it automatically goes to 350. So I am going to go ahead and increase it to 375 and let this heat up, and then we will go ahead and get started. I have just washed my hair and dried it, and so it's just kind of a mess, but I want to go ahead and see how this works and how it looks. The temperature control, it's still blinking, so I'm assuming that it's still heating up. There is a rotating cord around it, so that will hopefully make it easy to use. You just lay it on its side like this, and this way the rods aren't touching the surface that it's on. I'm going to go ahead and use a hair clip, and I'm just going to section off my hair. The light has stopped blinking, so it has reached the temperature of 375. So I'm just going to go ahead, and what I'm doing is where I can see the curve, I'm just going just below that to start the next one. So it looks like it took about 4 passes to go through the length of my hair. This I'm going to go ahead and section off in 2. And I'm just counting to 8. Now, I have naturally curly hair. Like if I were not to blow dry it, it wouldn't be this straight looking. So I'm always looking for ways to see, like if I'm using an apparatus, what kind of curl or what kind of wave I'm going to get. And this is a beach waver, so it does look like it's making my hair wavy. And I'm trying not to pull on it too much. And you can definitely tell the section that wasn't done right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my hair. And like I said, I'm just counting to 8 and then passing it down. And I'll go ahead and I'll see you when it's done. Okay, so I'm just about to finish up with the beach waver. Just gonna do these last, I think I'm gonna do 2 sections maybe. You do have to make sure that you keep the hair within the plates, and I think if you take smaller sections, you would probably get a tighter or more wave. Honestly, I don't have the patience to do. And I missed this little bit of hair. And then go ahead and turn around. Show you what it looks like all the way around. So what do you think? And it's definitely wavy looking. And I'm going to go ahead and spray some hairspray on it just to see if it will hold and see how it does through the night. So I'll check back in with you later. So it's the end of the night and I wanted to do a final check-in with you on the beach waver. It's actually called Away We Go by Bedhead. And this is what it looks like. It does have an automatic turn off, so if you leave it on, it'll turn off by itself, which is great. So I think that the beach wave that I got is nice. I actually, when I went out to have dinner with my husband, he goes, "Hey, I like your hair." So I guess that's a little bit of an endorsement. So it is something different to have. And if you're interested, I would definitely recommend it. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe. And if you will hit the notification bell, you will be notified when the next video comes up. Thanks for watching and we'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.